4 simple steps to add declaration manually and through Excel uploading. Step 1. Go to Income Tax module, select TDS year and TAN registration, then click on Set as Active. Step 2. Click on Declaration tab and select the employee. Click on Employee Declaration tab, then click on Add button. Step 3. Enter the details such as type of declaration. You will get all types of declaration wherein an employee can do an investment as per income tax amendment policy. Date of information, declared and made amount, then click on Submit button. Step 4. Click on Show Attachment to add your declaration proof. Select Add and enter file name and description and browse your document. Then click on Submit button. You have successfully added the declaration manually. Declaration through Excel sheet bulk uploading. Step 1. Enter declaration detail for all your employees in Excel format, which is provided by Census. Then select Option tab and click on Import data from Excel. Step 2. Then select Field to import TDS declaration, select TDS module and TDS year. Upload your Excel file and click on Next tab. Step 3. Select sheet name and click on Next button. Then click on Validate mapping and go to Next button. Step 4. Click on Validate data and then click on Import data. And here you have successfully added declaration through Excel uploading.